Oh my goodness.
I've never seen it personally. They're not particularly accurate, to be honest. The sculptor didn't have a deadline to model, so the face is quite Big Ben, Victoria Tower, the flag post at the top, and the London. So Mamma Mia, Frozen the musicals down that road as well, Tina Turner the musical.
This is a gorgeous building. This is what Paddington was about. She wanted to put him in this museum. It's giving Tomb Raider's house. Wow. 9,381 carats. It's topaz. A Mars rock. Is that an actual meteorite? Wow, look at how they gleam. This is all the different marbles. Wow. This is how they make incense. Have you ever seen those TikTok? The medieval. A huge tapestry. I think it's funny how they can just put windows in a museum. Is that made out of ivory? Oh gosh, that's horrible. I love old books. I wonder what secret knowledge is in it. Stay here all day. Oh my gosh, and there's so much more. in Fortnum and Mason.